Integration platform as a service versus API management. Which one is better for SaaS ecosystems? Most SaaS companies think building integrations is just about connecting apps, but the real secret to scalability lies in how those integrations are managed and maintained. That's where the debate between integration platform as a service or a PaaS and API management comes in. Let's start with a PaaS. It's a cloud-based system that helps organizations connect different software applications and automate data flow between them. Think of it as a digital bridge that links tools like Salesforce, Slack, and HubSpot without needing custom code. It's ideal for companies that need fast, low-code integration setups across multiple systems. API management, on the other hand, focuses on controlling, monitoring, and securing the APIs themselves. It helps developers create, publish, and manage APIs at scale, ensuring performance, authentication, and analytics. For example, if you're a SaaS provider offering APIs to partners, you'd use API management to regulate traffic, set rate limits, and monitor usage. Here's where most people get it wrong. A PaaS helps use APIs efficiently, while API management helps govern them effectively. One connects systems, the other protects and optimizes how those connections run. So, which one's better for SaaS ecosystems? If your main challenge is connecting multiple third-party tools quickly, PaaS offers the flexibility you need. But if your business revolves around exposing APIs to customers or partners, API management delivers the control and visibility essential for security and scale. In reality, the strongest SaaS architectures combine both a PaaS for seamless integration and API management for operational excellence. Together, they create an ecosystem that's not just connected but truly intelligent.